Hi guys, it's Healy. Today I would like to show you a wonderful site that is AI based, and it creates a presentation for you, including all the visuals in a very organized way. It's not just content and pictures. It really gives you timelines. It breaks down all the information and adds visuals. So it's wonderful. This is a presentation I created about medieval art, and this one is about the Israeli Declaration of Independence. And as you can see, it really gives you all the history, everything you need, and timelines. Super professional. Let's see how we do this. First, you want to log into Gamma. Okay. And then continue with Google or create your own account here. Sign up. Alright. Or continue with Google or sign up for the first time. Note that you will get a confirmation email. You will have to go into the confirmation email. Now once you are logged in, you want to click on New with AI right here at the top. New with AI Beta. And here it will ask you what you want to create, a presentation, document, or web page. Let's start with presentation. Sounds good. What would you like your presentation to be about? And then you can say, perhaps, I wrote here Twin Tower Tragedy using the words, and I put some words from the textbook, from our course book that I want my students to review. And then I'm going to click send. I can add more words, I can add more information, but now it's actually asking me to come up with a few ideas. And so what I can do is I can look at the workbook or the textbook and see what ideas I need. What are some of the themes that are talked about in the book? So what I did is I added a few topics that I saw in the workbook, including some text I wrote, some topics from the texts in the book, so we can review the information and the vocabulary. And now I'm going to click continue. And now it's going to ask me for the theme. I'm going to pick a theme. There are really beautiful themes here. I can click one and see them on the left, and click again and see them on the left. And you can see examples of sample photos that can be inserted into the presentation. So you can see really great themes on here. I'm probably going to go with this one. Or perhaps this one, the darker one. Okay, now I'm going to click continue. And it's going to take a few minutes, and it's going to create my presentation. Okay, now I got it. It took about a minute. You can see we have the first page with the title and a short summary. Now you have Michael Hinkson and Roselle Bravery, which is basically the dog who saved his life. And this is taken from the information I found in the textbook. And now we can talk about it more, read more about it. Sounds of survivors, the impact on New York City, and it goes on to talk about more things that I wrote in the main topics. And of course it gives way more information that I asked. It's really nice. So you have about 8 slides on here with information, including what I wrote and including the vocabulary I added, blind and because, and all those words that I inserted. Going back to the main page, I'm going to click again on New with AI, and now I'm going to pick a web page. It says, sounds good. What would you like the web page to be about? And now I'm going to pick another topic. I'm going to go with famous athletes. And now it says famous athletes sounds interesting. And it's going to give me a few of them, and it says you can edit this. So I'm going to add information. Let's say here I'm going to write Usain Bolt and Michael Phelps and more people that I have in the workbook. Okay, since I added Usain Bolt and Michael Phelps, Venus and Serena Williams, and Wayne Rooney, now I can delete a few of these topics that I don't need. And I'm going to click continue. Now again, I'm going to pick a theme. This time I'm going to go with this theme. And I'm going to click continue and take a minute to do this. Okay, my website is ready. This is the website version. I can click on present to see what it looks like as a website, and you can see that it has everything I've asked. I've noticed that when I do the presentation mode, it takes time to scroll. But if I go out of the presentation mode and I click share, okay, and I click here, anyone with the link can view. I click copy link, and then I go and look at this. I pasted this in another tab. I can see that the website looks really, really nice. It actually looks like a website, and I can scroll down really nicely. So this is a nice website about famous athletes with the information I provided. So that's another option for you to create learning materials for your students. If you click here on the side, on those 3 lines, you will see there's a way to go to different parts of the website. And so if you want to go to this part, students can click on here and navigate. And the nice thing is that when you click on share, you have a few options to share. You have publicly, you have export, and you have embed. When you click on export, you can download this as a PDF. So that's a really nice thing to have, a file that you can send out to your students with information. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!